In this video, I'm gonna tell you that how you can enable Gmail two-step verification on your Google account. This is for the security purpose, so make sure that you have your phone number with you, and at the time you are just going to enable the two-step verification on your Gmail account. So let's start here. PC Guide for You is here to help you with your issues. For more updates, subscribe now. First of all, open up any one of your browser and log into your Gmail or your Google account. Then, as you can see that I'm already logged in here. What you need to do, go to the right top where you can see the name and click on that Google account button. This will take you to your Google account settings. From the left hand pane, you have some options. You need to get into the security part. Click on the security. And now you can scroll a bit down. You can see here you have option here, two-step verification. By default, it is always off until you will just turn it on. So we just need to turn it on, so click on this one. Now another window will come up. Click on Get Started. It will ask you for your password. Enter your password there, click Next. Okay. Now your registered number will be there automatically. Now you got two options here, that how do you want to get a security code at the time of login once it is enabled. So I'll just take it the text message, click Next. Okay, now a confirmation code has been sent to the registered number. Okay, I received the code here on my number. So let me just enter that code for the verification. This is a Google verification process. Okay, 61. Here is my code. And now, once you enter the code, click on Next button. Alright, you can see it worked. Turn on two-step verification for this Gmail account. So just click on Turn On button. Alright, you can see here we have successfully turned on that verification for your Gmail account or your Google account. So now onwards, whenever you try to log in to your Gmail account or your Google account from any device, it will send you a code on the registered mobile number, and until or unless you will not verify, you won't be able to log into your Google account. So make sure you should have your number with you at the time of the login or on your Google account, because it's on now. At the same time, you will get the confirmation email from Google as well that your two-step verification is turned on your Google account. So guys, this is the way you can just enable the two-step verification on your Google account. I hope you like this video. Please do not forget to subscribe and share this video to help others as well. Thank you.